Children 6 months old and up are now eligible to get vaccinated against COVID-19, but many of you still have questions about getting the shots for your youngest.
Isabel Lawrence brought vaccine questions to 3 doctors here in Northeast Ohio to learn more about what families can expect.
It's important for our families to consider getting this vaccination now.
Late last week, the FDA and CDC gave the green light for children as young as 6 months old to get vaccinated against COVID through either 3 doses of Pfizer or 2 doses of Moderna. But is one better than the other?
The most basic answer is the vaccine that's available to you is the one that I would recommend right now.
We have enough information about the safety and the immunity to be able to extrapolate that both will work equally well.
Then there's the question of when to get it. Doctors say it can easily fit into your child's vaccine regimen or at a well visit.
This vaccine can be given alongside of our standard pediatric vaccines.
We now have over a year's worth of experience in giving it with other vaccines, and there's been no increased incidence of side effects when you give it with other vaccines.
Perhaps one of the biggest questions on parents' minds, is it worth getting my child vaccinated even though the adult vaccines have a higher efficacy than these kids' vaccines? All 3 doctors say yes.
But definitely would want to make sure people strongly consider and get this vaccine. It will help to continue with our moving towards getting back to a more normal life with our schools and activities. That's the primary goal.
Now, the doctors also brought up the fact that this vaccine is still highly effective in preventing serious infection in children.
Isabel, I know a lot of parents are curious about what kind of side effects these vaccines can have on their youngest kids.
Yeah, absolutely. All 3 doctors say possible side effects mirror those felt in most any vaccines and are similar to side effects adults may have felt after getting their COVID vaccine. So things like fatigue, soreness, maybe a low fever. However, for these youngest children just now eligible, doctors say they really haven't seen severe side effects.
All right, getting answers to some important questions. Isabel, thanks.